Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Xiaomi Pad SE. To take a screenshot on your tablet, you simply have to open the menu that you want to take a screenshot of and then short press power button and volume down key at the same time. This will immediately take a screenshot, which you can edit before saving it by tapping edit next to the notification that you get, and here you'll be able to use all the available editing tools. Let me do this once again. Okay, so we can auto adjust the image. We can use crop features to crop some portion of the image and rotate it as well. We can go to adjust menu and adjust the picture in many different ways. We can go to actions and use the AI features. We can go to markup and filters. And once you are happy with the result, simply exit this menu and the screenshot will be saved in your files, images, and here we have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.